Welcome to the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial for guest users on how to register a business location. During this video, you'll learn how to add a business tax location. To begin, go to mytax.mo.gov. Scroll down that page until you see the Business button. After selecting the Business button, select File your tax return as a guest. This will take you to the File and Pay Business Taxes Online as a guest page. Here, you'll be able to select which tax type you are adding your business location to. Scroll down until you see the Sales and Use Tax header. Below, you will select either Add Sales Tax Location, Add Consumer's Use Tax Location, or Add Vendor's Use Tax Location. Select that link. You will then fill in the submitter information with your first name, last name, daytime phone number, and your email. Once this is filled out, select Next. You will then be asked to enter your MoID and your PIN. Select Next. You will then be asked if you want to add a new business location to your account. Select Yes, and then select Save and Continue. On this screen, select the Add button. Next, you will fill in some information about your location. Your business name will be listed as the DBA for the location. You will then be asked if this is a physical location. Select either Yes or No. You will then be able to select which accounts you would like to add this location to. Your tax type will already be selected for you. You will then be asked if you make any type of special sales at your new location. Please select any that apply. At the bottom of the screen, you will enter your location address. If this is not a physical location, or you do not know the address of the physical location, enter the city and zip code. Then, in address line 1, you will either enter vendor's use, mobile sales, special event sales, telecommunications services, or vending machine sales. Once you're finished, you will enter your phone number and select Save and Continue. Under Special Tax Districts, you will be asked if you know if your location is in any special tax districts. If it is, select Yes, and if it's not or if you're unsure, select No. You will then be asked if your location is within the city limits. Select either Yes or No. Then you'll be asked to select the county that you are doing business in from the drop-down box. Once done, select Save and Continue. Here, you will be asked about your NAICS information. In the first drop-down box, select your NAICS category. In the second drop-down box, select the NAICS subcategory. In the last box, select your NAICS code. Next, enter your location start date. This should be the first date of the reporting period you'll be filing for this location. Select Save and Continue. Here, you will be shown the jurisdiction code and the current tax rate for your new business location. Select Save and Continue. Here, you will be asked if you make any sales that qualify for a special tax rate. Please select all that apply. At the bottom of the screen, you will select other activities that qualify with your new business location. Select Save and Continue. Here, you'll be shown the location that you have just added to your account. To add another new location, select Add, or to continue with the location you're currently adding, select Save and Continue. You will then be asked if you want to add a new business activity to an existing business location. For this tutorial, we're going to leave this selected as No. Select Save and Continue. This screen will show you a summary of all the new business locations you are registering to your account. Select Save and Continue. By selecting Yes on this screen, you are acknowledging that you are authorized to make changes to the account that you have selected. Once you have completed registering your new business location, you will receive a confirmation number to keep for your records. You'll also receive an email containing this information. To return to the MyTax Missouri login screen, select the Return Home button. Thank you for watching the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial for guest users on how to register a business tax location.